Where's your arm? Where's your arm? Where is it? Where's Emma's arm? Oh, there it is! Where's your arm? Where'd it go? Emma's arm, where are you? Where's your arm? Where'd it go? Huh? Where's your arm? Where's your arm? There it is! Where's Emma's face? Huh? Oh, your head's too big. Put on your foot. Let's put on your foot. Yeah. Where's your feet? Where's your foot? Where'd it go? Where's your foot? What are you eating? Oh. What is that? Is that chicken? What did you eat? Oh my Lord.